We interrupt our normal program to cooperate in security and civil defense measures as requested by the United States government. This is a Conelrad radio alert. At 3:24 Central Daylight Time, the United States Missile Defense and the Military Air Force defense systems had stopped working. Authorities are still trying to resolve this situation in case of any attacks on our country occur. We advise citizens to stay tuned to 612 kilocycles or 1240 kilocycles for any further updates on this situation.
A few minutes ago, the United States government had claimed that the U.S. military missile and Air Force's defense systems had stopped working. I'm getting...
Our normal program to cooperate in security and civil defense measures as requested by the United States government. This is a Conelrad radio alert. Approximately 5 minutes ago, China had declared war on the United States and had launched missiles to the following cities: Chicago, New York, Washington, D.C., Phoenix, and San Diego. Please go to your near civil defense shelter as fast as possible.
注意力！以下是中国政府发布的特别通报提醒：几分钟前，中国已向美国宣战。